We all are born with a divine fire in us. Our effort should be to give wings to this fire and fill the world with the glow of its goodness. Great words by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. I am Dr. Vibha Bora, Professor in Electronics Engineering and in charge of Biomedical Engineering and Technology Incubation Center at GHRC in association with BETIC IIT Bombay. The mission of the BETIC is to nurture entrepreneurs for medical device innovation. Every student has a potential, and as a teacher, we have to mold them. With this vision, our students are progressing towards innovation. For the project bone lengthening device, if the patient is having different limb length by birth or due to accident, then the external Ilizaro surgery is done, which is very painful. The internal implants are from USA, which are very expensive. So, I had initiated with BETIC interns Rohan Deshpande and Ayush Gaikwad with clinician Dr. Sushil Mankar sir. They have started RayCura and received BIRAC big grant for 50 lakhs. We had developed a prototype of meconium extraction device for newborn. For this project, BETIC IIT Bombay received BIRAC ETA grant of 65 lakhs to transform from TRL3 to TRL7. 2022, we received Unnat Bharat Abhiyan grant for technology transfer of a smart device to know onset of oral cancer. In rural areas, due to habit of gutka chewing, OSMF can transform into oral cancer. OSMF patient report with restricted mouth opening. So we had developed a device, organized screening camp at various villages, and now the devices are available at PHCs. We received BIRAC Amrit Grand Challenge Jan Care Grant for the project Smart Web-based application for dental disease detection using AI for 10 lakhs. We received BIRAC EUA grant for the project Development of Continuous Glucose Monitoring System using subcutaneous wired enzyme technology for 4 lakhs. We received RGSTC grant for 2.16 lakhs. In 2021, I received AICT Leelavati Award for the sub-theme Self-Defense. Consultancy for biomass calculation, 3D modeling, thermal mapping are in process and implemented 6 LiDAR sensor for volume estimation in food industry. During COVID pandemic, Professor Avte, Professor Jipkate, student Rohan Deshpande and I had developed U-shaped splitters for IGGMC Hospital, and for AIMS Nagpur, Professor Bhalerao, student Vinit Likhar and I had developed autonomous food serving trolley. In society, girls and women are not safe, so we have designed a wearable low-cost women security device which will capture images after every 10 seconds. When any unseen instance occurs, button will be pressed and immediately the location and 10 previous images will be uploaded on server. To save electricity, I had implemented sensor in all washrooms of GHRC. A major issue which is seen in our surrounding that many times cow consume food with plastic. So we come up with a cow tub concept in which green waste and leftover food can be kept, which follows Swachhata Abhiyan and solve dump yard problem up to some extent. My father was always saying that, be that teacher, what you expect that your child should get in school or college. Thank you. Jai Hind.